Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Rusiru, a software engineer. Let's talk about one of the most important security evolutions in the internet history, the shift from HTTP to HTTPS. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's the fundamental change in how we think about web security. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, was the original language of the web. When you type a URL and hit enter, your browser sends an HTTP request to a web server which responds with the web page data. But here's the problem. HTTP sends everything in plain text. Imagine sending all your letters through a mail system written on a postcard instead of the sealed envelopes. Anyone handling that postcard along the way can read your private message. This vulnerability led to man-in-the-middle attacks, where malicious attackers could intercept, read, and even modify your data during transmission. Your login credentials, credit card numbers, personal messages, all visible to anyone listening on the network. HTTPS. The S stands for secure. Solve this problem by adding SSL and TLS encryption. Think of it as putting your postcard message into a lockbox that only the intended recipients can open. HTTPS operates on port 443 instead of HTTP's port 80, and it requires SSL TLS certificates from trusted certificate authorities. Here's how the security magic happens through the SSL TLS handshake. First, your browser requests the server's SSL certificate to verify its identity, like checking someone's ID. The server responds with its certificate containing a public key. Your browser then uses this public key to encrypt a secret session key and send it back. The server uses its private key to decrypt this message and retrieve the session key. From that point forward, both sides use the same session key for all encrypted communications. What's fascinating is that HTTPS isn't just more secure, it's often faster than HTTP. This seems counterintuitive since there's extra security overhead, right? But HTTPS enables modern protocols like HTTP2 and HTTP3, which include performance optimizations like multiplexing and header compression. Security actually enables better performance. The industry has fully embraced this shift. Google made HTTPS a ranking factor for search results in 2014. Browsers now mark HTTP sites as not secure. Major browser vendors are moving forward HTTPS first browsing. Free SSL certificates are widely available, removing the cost barrier that once slowed adoption. This evolution teaches us something crucial about modern software development. Security can't be an afterthought or optional feature. It needs to be built into the foundation of our systems. When you are building web applications, always assume HTTPS, always encrypt sensitive data, and always think about security from day one. HTTPS handles secure communication between your browser and web servers. But there's another critical piece of the puzzle. How does your browser know which server to talk in the first place? That's where the domain name system or DNS comes in, acting as the internet address book. Let's talk about DNS in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we are continuing this series and building a solid knowledge on system design. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.